I think there is comparing, say, the markets in which we are active, there is very good potential in the Dutch market, but there are limitations due to the size of its market. So we will continue investing, but only as long as there is product available. And we see the limitations in the German cities. We have 5-7 major investment locations. In Holland, we have, from our point of view, 4. That's better than just London or Paris, but the overall size of the market is a lot smaller. So we see good potential here. We like the market. We like the return profile, but there may be a limitation due to the size of size of the market.
Okay, great. Dick?
Yeah, I think the Dutch market is very attractive because also of the possibilities of the Holland metropole. I think all these 4 cities have their own strong points, and the Netherlands is a very transparent real estate market. Economic growth is about 2%. Very political, stable country. As I said, always in your panels, Richard, the Dutch market is a very good market for long-term investors in real estate.
Okay, good. Merel?
Yeah, I can see the facts and figures are speaking for themselves, I guess. That's what my the other 2 guys, I shouldn't say that, of course, but I think that what I feel in the city now is a vibe, and the vibe is about making things. It's about getting further. It's about startups who really want to develop and work together. And I think that's the main issue we have to help. So we have to help that innovation grow further and further, actually. So facts and figures, they are pointing out that we are going there, but we have to help the innovation and the startups to really do it as well for us and with us.
Okay, good. Lisette? They're obviously knocking on the door for the next session.
That's what I guessed already. Well, I would echo Dick's points on transparency and rule of law and to a certain extent the liquidity, because I think those are key elements. If that's not right, investors won't even go there. And we do see some movements in Europe that across some countries, we were in Poland last week, where we had some discussions on those elements. So I think that's the starting point. I think the Holland Metropole initiative is very good. I would just say, I think what's lacking in that respect is a bold vision of the national government. Yeah. Because now it's a collaboration initiative of the cities and some private investors supporting it. But to be really successful, because this is not only about marketing, this is also about collaboration. We need to get the view that we're not competing among ourselves, but we're competing in a bigger arena. And if we don't change that mindset, we will not be successful. Because if you look what's going on elsewhere, we cannot compete in terms of speed of development, in terms of new construction and scale. Because we have only physical limitations in that respect. So, and therefore I do really think that investments are needed to invest also. We talked about smart cities yesterday, to make our cities operate more efficient, more sustainable. And we need to really make some big investments in that, because that's the way to make it livable, to let it stay livable, and to be successful in the future.